Okay, so here we are. Let's see how the stock is doing at the moment. As you will see, it went down even further. So it went down even lower. So as I was mentioning, this stock, the range has been insane. It just climbed up, tremendously, and then it just came back to earth. As you can see, it's coming back to earth here. So what do I look at if I'm looking at this? So this is what I do. I go full screen. First of all, if I see it dropping, for me, when I see a big range like that $9 to $16, for me, it gets my attention immediately. The reason why it gets my attention immediately is because I ask myself the question, could I possibly buy at a very close price uh to $9? Is that a possibility? And if I can, imagine if you were to purchase at $9 and it climbed up, right? So you would pretty much guarantee a profit for yourself. So the question for me becomes, what would be my buy-in price for this stock? That would be the question. So at the moment, I have the past 5 days, as you can see. I have previously set it here, but I'm just gonna leave it like this for now. So one thing about the last 5 days is that you will see that this is when it was about $9 or so, and you can see the date, 6/22. Today is 6/22. So this is where it was approximately. Keep going towards the left, still 6/22, and then you will see that 6/22 is still going, 6/21, and then it came down eventually. Let me see here. Just zoom out a little bit. So here's the 9/24 right here, which is the lowest. Remember, we are viewing it right now, and we see a 9 something. Sorry, I zoomed out too much. You need to do it slowly. So here it is, as you can see. So as I said, my hopes is that it will go down low, right? And hopefully it will climb back up. And that's when you sell. Anyway, so the point I was trying to make was I was trying to establish at what price has the stock been at. You see what I mean? So as we can see here, if we look at, let's say, a month and you zoom out, you want to actually, that might be too much. Let's do 5 days and then zoom out. You will be able to see the dates. Sorry, I can't see it because this thing is in the way. But you can see that the stock was actually even lower. It As you look at the stock, the previous days it was lower and lower, and eventually just kept increasing. You see that? So I would say that this stock has been increasing pretty well. As you can see, it's going through a massive dive, and the stock itself is like a tsunami stock, in my opinion, due to the fact that it's such a big range and it allows you the possibility to potentially buy at a really low price. So some things that could happen, say that you buy at this price and you're like, damn, it's a really low price because it's -16, right? But at the same time, it's currently going through a downtrend. So one of the things you want to do is look at the hollow candles and you will see the colors. So if you see a constant red color, it shows the trend. It shows the trends as going positive because it's green. So you can pretty much use the colors to guide you. Here's an example of how the trend is, going negative. As you can see, just by looking at some other range of time, you can see like uh, around 2 p.m. to around right here 2:40. It was a downtrend, but as you can see, it's going through an uptrend at the moment. So I would say that you would want to buy maybe below 12 or below $11 at the lowest, maybe 10.